How to enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, when you open Chrome, it appears in this middle size. What you can do is simply click on the full screen mode between the cross and minimize option. After that, you will be able to maximize the full screen option. If you want to remove it, when you open the new window in Google Chrome, simply click on minimize, or you can simply click on the option beside the minimize to disable the full screen mode. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.